Ever heard the word anchor text and you're sat there wondering what it's all about? Well, today we find out. Hi there, I'm John Hoey, the SEO manager here at The Marketing People. In today's SEO Thursday video, we're going to be talking about anchor text. Now, you'll probably sit there thinking, what does that mean? I've heard the words before, but I'm not entirely too sure. Well, anchor text is part of an internal link building strategy and external link building strategy on your website. Now, these are all related to the links that can be found on any website across the World Wide Web. Now, here's an example which is taken from moz.com. You've got the link here, which is the web address that you want the user to go to. And then the anchor text is what's actually shown. So for instance, you've got themarketingpeople.com. That's what we want to show people, but we don't want to show them a really long URL because you might have www.tinydancing.horse.com / blah, 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 blah. Now that's way too long and it's not very good and not very user friendly. So what anchor text does is we can shorten it, we can change the words within that anchor text to make sure that it's relevant and people, are easy to understand. So here's just some information for you. Now, the target link, which is this section here, it's the web address you want visitors to visit. Then you've got the anchor text, which, as just mentioned, is what's actually visible to the user. It works both well for internal and external link building strategies. So you can control what's within your website and what's actually shown to the user. Google actually does state though that you cannot control what other sites show to their user through your link. However, all you can do, as I've said here, is you can make sure that the anchor text you use within your own site is useful, descriptive and relevant. There are several different types of anchor text that you can use. I'm just going to quickly run through these now. You've got exact match, which means that the exact match actually matches the keyword that you want the web user to visit. So for instance, if you've got a web page for an SEO agency, the exact match would be SEO agency that would be shown to the user. Then you've got a partial match, which means it's like a variation of the keyword itself. So you may have a web page on hairdressers, for instance, but then it's like a variation on that. You could have hairdressing company in the West Midlands as an example. Then you've got a branded keyword, which means that it actually matches the web page that you're going to. Now, for instance, like here with the Marketing People, if we would have a web link on there, it would say the Marketing People is as the target, but the link would actually be going to themarketingpeople.com. Then you will have what's known as a naked link. Now, a naked link is just the actual link to the website, so it would be www.themarketingpeople.com. Then you've got a more kind of generic link, which is used for buttons mainly and things like that. So you've got things such as like click here, get in touch, find out more. Then you've also got images as well. Now images uses the alt tag within the image itself as the anchor text, not actually visible to anyone in the front end unless your web developer shows that as well. Within your website, but that'll be something that we will be going over in the future as one of our SEO Thursdays about image linking as well. Best practices for anchor text: short and to the point, relevant, so make sure that it's relevant to the page you're linking to, both internally and externally as well. That helps other web developers across the World Wide Web. Then also main thing as well, check the keyword relevance. And what you don't want to be doing is say linking to an SEO page which has got 30,000 search terms a month, or anything stupid amount like that. It needs to be relevant because people that you want to target will actually find these links and then link through to you. So if you've got any questions or if you need any help with any of your marketing, please get in touch with the Marketing People. Just give us a call. You come over and meet us. The number's 01543 495 752. Or drop us an email, info@themarketingpeople.com, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.